Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. So my channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So now today I'm going to show you the one website where I can publish social bookmarking content. So now we can start. So the website name is Accounter and this website domain authority is 42 and the page authority is 31 and the spam score is 7%. Okay, it will be okay for that. Okay, the first thing, this website having a great authority and the traffic source, so that's why we can consider for our bookmarking things. So now I can show you the website overall global ranking is this, and you have to see this guy. This website having 6.7.8k monthly visitors. Okay, and now where this website getting traffic for the India, the Australia, and the USA. So now we can start registration. The first thing you have to register on this website. Uh, okay, registration is closed at this time. Please try again later. For fair us to services, registration cannot be open 24 hours. Okay. Actually, this website right now discontinue the registration option. So what we can do? So I can show you. I have this website access. I already logged in to another Gmail account, so I can show you. So I can log in this website. So we are successfully logged in now. So you have to update your profile URL, profile information, and after that, you guys are able to publish your content in this website. So you have to connect your Facebook page, Twitter, and the Google Plus pages if you want to connect, and otherwise everything it will be okay for you. Profile personal information. So you have to go for the personal information. So only these things you can add in this website on a profile section. So if you want to add, you can do that, and after that we can start how we can publish our social bookmarking content in this website. So you have to click on submit URL option, and after that you can publish your URL. So I have already generated the content, arranged. I have already contain the contents, so now it will be make it easy for me, so I can publish instant all other things whatever I want. So and the first thing you have to make it simple your story title, because this website does not allow to you can publish, you can use more and more times your the same keywords in a title. So you have these things you can make sure while you're writing your content. Let me check what this website can consider for me. If you want any keywords, if you want to add any keywords in this content, so you can do that, you have to do that. So I can Concurs officers, I can copy this link, I can go into here are these keywords. This is our keyword, targeted keywords, so we can grab one backlink for that also. So you have to fill your category tags optional, and the targeted keyword, targeted words, you have to paste it over there. And if you want to add anything in your Skype calls, chat, you can do that. You have to do that. Okay guys, you can see this guy, this website can show me the error on a title tag. So we can try to make it our title convenient for this website. So we can remove Concur Security Services, Caras, and then we can remove this security because we are using multiple times this keyword, so that's why we can remove that. So you have to see this, guys. This our social bookmarking content is successfully submitted now on this website, and this is our landing page URL. So I can show you in a incognito tab. So you have to see this, guys. You can see this, guys. Our title is this, and we are this is our contextual backlink. I can show you this is a do follow or the no follow backlink. So you can see this, guys. This is a 100% do follow backlink. So if you want to promote your businesses in USA, India, and the Australia, so make sure you have to publish your article in this website. This is a great opportunity to you can grab your audience to this targeted country. Okay, guys. So if you're watching till end, guys, so thanks for the watching, guys, and please subscribe my channel. If you have anything concern, any doubts for yourself, so you can share your thoughts on a comment section. Okay, guys. So thanks for the watching.